Hello, everyone. Today, I'm talking with Alicia, my AI friend, about how to improve English step by step.
Hi, Suleiman. I'm excited to help. English learning can be fun if you follow the right strategies.
Many people ask me how to improve vocabulary. What's the smartest way?
Start with simple, daily use words. Use apps like WordUp or vocabulary.com. Also, try learning 5 new words every day and use them in sentences.
Can you give me 3 useful English words with meaning?
Sure. 1. Curious, wanting to know more. 2. Grateful, feeling thankful. 3. Improve, to make better.
I'll make sentences now. I'm curious about new things. I'm grateful for my life. I want to improve my English.
Perfect! Using words in your own way helps you remember them better.
I really struggle with grammar and tenses.
That's normal. Start with basic tenses. Present simple, I eat rice. Past simple, I ate rice. Future simple, I will eat rice.
Nice! Should I learn all the tenses at once?
No, learn step by step. Focus on one tense per day and make your own examples. Practice out loud.
Can I talk to myself in English?
Yes, mirror talk is powerful. Stand in front of the mirror and say, "Today I'm learning English. I am confident. I can do it."
Many people are shy to speak English. What can they do?
Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Record your voice daily and compare your progress.
That's a good idea. I'll start today. How can I improve my listening skills?
Watch English shows with subtitles. Try English Addict on YouTube or short podcast clips. Also, listen and repeat. Copy pronunciation and tone.
So, like shadowing?
Exactly. Repeat after native speakers. It improves your accent.
Should I follow a routine?
Yes, here's a sample 30-minute daily plan. 10 minutes vocabulary, 10 minutes grammar practice, 10 minutes speaking listening.
This is simple. I can follow this every day.
Learning English is a journey, not a race. Be consistent and kind to yourself.
Thank you, Alicia, and thank you everyone for watching. Let's keep improving together.
Bye-bye, learners.